gift from the side of organizers. Amrup Amun Kumar, Head of Department, to kindly felicitate our sponsor. I will call one by one.
Then accommodation for traditional preservations outside one's usual.
Beautifully resonates with the vision of the World Tourism Day, and it is celebrated globally, we all know, on 27 September. So the 2025 theme, Tourism and Sustainable Transformation, which is the theme of the seminar, also reminds us that the tourism is more than just leisure or commerce. It's a bridge between people, cultures and nation. Tourism and sustainable transformation refers to the approach of utilizing tourism as a catalyst for achieving the sustainable development goals. So this involves adopting responsible tourism practices and promote environmental conservation, socio-cultural preservation, and
from 2019-20 now it is totally down because of the COVID. Now it is improving and now it is at par before pandemic. But in case of Manipur, because of the situation that is happening here in our state, we cannot increase the tourist flow. See, in the year 2025, right now, we have hardly 16,000 tourists in Manipur. Right now, now it is November. So, in 2019, it was 165,000 tourists were coming down here in Manipur. So, both domestic as well as international tourists were there in Manipur. But drastically it has down. So I think tourism, as Madam Chief Guest already mentioned about, tourism is not only recreation and other. It gives immense impact to the economy of a country. Madam already mentioned about the employment generation, for example, by this tourism sector.